The man who wanted too much. In a small village lived a shopkeeper named Ramesh. He had a loving family, a steady income, and enough comfort to live peacefully. The villagers admired his life and often said he was lucky. But Ramesh didn't feel lucky. He felt incomplete. His heart wanted more. More money, more success, more things, more everything. No matter what he earned, he never felt enough. One evening, while closing his shop, he saw an old traveler resting under a large banyan tree. Next to him was a beautifully carved wooden box, glowing softly in the evening light. Ramesh's eyes fixed on it instantly. "What is inside that box?" he asked with excitement. The traveler smiled gently. "This box holds a powerful gift," he said, "but it is only for someone who understands the value of satisfaction." Ramesh replied confidently, "I can handle any gift. Please show me." The traveler opened the box. Inside was a tiny golden stone, shining like captured sunlight. "This stone can double anything you place next to it," the traveler explained. "But remember, greed demands more than life can give." But Ramesh paid no attention to the warning. He heard only one thing: it doubles anything. Without a second thought, he grabbed the stone and ran home, filled with excitement. Ramesh tested the stone with a mango. One mango turned into two. Two turned into four. His heart raced with joy. He tried again with coins. One coin became two. Two became four. He felt unstoppable. Day after day, he doubled everything: fruits, clothes, jewelry, money, gold. Soon, his house was overflowing with shining piles of wealth. But as his wealth grew, his peace disappeared. He stopped talking to his wife. He ignored his son. He became suspicious of everyone. He slept poorly, afraid someone would steal his treasure. Even with so much, he felt empty inside. His greed had turned into a bottomless pit that nothing could fill. One night, Ramesh made his biggest and most dangerous plan. He gathered all his valuables into one massive pile. "If I double everything tonight," he whispered, "I will become richer than anyone." He placed the golden stone beside the huge mountain of wealth. The stone began to glow, brighter, brighter, too bright. Suddenly, it cracked and burst into flames. Within seconds, the fire spread, burning everything: the gold, the money, the jewelry, his home. Ramesh escaped with his life, but everything else turned to ashes. He fell to the ground, shaking. Finally, understanding the painful truth, his greed had destroyed everything he loved. So, the story tells us, when you stop appreciating what you have, life will stop giving you more. Gratitude builds a peaceful life, greed breaks it apart.